don't know about you, but meal planning can be such a real challenge. But I found something that makes it way easier, and it's actually really cute too. So this is the Decorably Tropical Summer Weekly Meal Planner Pad, and let me tell you, it's been a great addition to my kitchen. I did get it from the brand as a gift to try it out to let you guys know how great it is, and I'm really impressed. If you're anything like me, trying to figure out what's for dinner every day while juggling grocery lists is a huge struggle. But this magnetic meal planner helps me stay organized and actually be able to plan ahead. It has sections for each day of the week, a shopping list, and even a spot for notes. So you can jot down whatever you need, and the best part is that it's magnetic. You can just stick it on your refrigerator and you're good to go. So when the kids know that we need something to be added to the list, they can just jot it right up there. The shopping list is also perforated from the other part of the meal planner side, so it's super convenient. You can tear it off and take it right with you to the store if you need to. No more scribbling things down last minute. With 4 strong magnets on each side of the back, it stays put on the fridge, so no more worrying about it falling down every time you open the door. Plus, it has a fun tropical design. There's other designs as well, but this one I chose because it just brightens up the whole kitchen. With 52 sheets, you've got enough for a whole year of meals, and you can use it no matter the season. The best part too, it's undated, so you can start anytime you need to. Seriously, this is the easiest way to stay on top of your meals without the stress. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this meal planner has your back.